friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great and very busy for the festival season. We have come on the end of the year, I can say November and December, when I talk about this festival, this Diwali and the New Year, Christmas, everyone they enjoy. And I was showing you many more product videos. Today also I brought for you the exclusive fancy varieties. If I talk about these collections, are huge demand at the market, especially for the entire South, the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These cities are major demand. If I talk about this fabric is cotton. Why cotton prefers lot in South? Why? Because I can tell the first point, South weather, according to South weather, there is a heat and many more people prefer the cotton to absorb heat and to give comfortable on the skin tones. That's why it gives very comfortable on all over the year, any season, and the weather is totally different comparing to north and west. So friends, today I brought for you exclusive collections. I'm going to show you the linen cotton and the Gadwal cotton varieties. Keep watching this video, and these collections at the market not lesser than 1500 or not lesser than 1800. These collections you can buy around here 600 rupees at factory price. I'm going to show you from 250 to 600. So subscribe the channel, keep watching, and you can do 24/7 online shopping, COD pan India available for pre-advance booking, also international. So let's have a look what all the exclusive fancy printed Gadwal cotton and linen cotton has come up. I'm going to take you to the counter. Come. So friends, as I said, I brought for you the exclusive varieties of Gadwal cotton and the linen cotton varieties. Here are the varieties, as I said, which is the market about less than 1500. You can't get it, but you can buy from the manufacturers at factory price, which starts from only 250 to around 600 rupees. Bunches of colorful, unique varieties. Season to season, you can purchase the first color, the Rani color with the mountain cut pattern of the beautiful pallu. With the color combination, you can purchase with the code of Kala Barli BP is the code. These are the fancy border sarees. The copper mini border with the subtle pinkish color and the dark color combination with the pattern of this beautiful pallu with a colored mixtured color of the Rani with magenta color combination. All these such varieties you can buy from the Kesaria manufacturers with the color chart. If I talk about the next pattern, you can have a beautiful dark yellow color, and here is the pattern of this mehndi color combination you can purchase. And here are the such exclusive varieties. You can also see Kala Zarina BP. When you have a visit purchase, you have a beautiful color combination, such exclusive varieties you can purchase. And here we support with the guider of the sales executive with the following such exclusive varieties you can also purchase with Kesaria manufacturers. How they depend on the languages, depend on the varieties, you can also come and have a visit purchase. So every language, every state varieties, with the language communication we provide you the sales executive. Next pattern with the copper jiri with the dark maroon color with the printed of the golden pattu with the traditional look of Kala Priya BP. There's a deer. There's a deer printed with the deer printed. You can see here the deer printed has been done. So this is such a dark orange color with the mehndi color floral based, and this is the one of the pattern. The covered beautiful pallu and the animal print deer print has been given. So all these exclusive varieties, unique printed season to season, Kesaria manufacturers are giving you. I've showed you the dark colors. I'm going to show you some settle color with the classy border. The working women, especially the private sectors, clerk, railway clerk people, private sector people, and who travel on the metro cities, on regular the sari lovers of the cotton, linen cotton and the Gadwal cotton, all exclusive. This is a geometrical pattern of the dark one of the creamish color with the parallel line of the white mild code has been given. This is the Kala Hanshika BP, and here is the lavender color combination of the mixtured rangoli and the geometrical pattern of the beautiful pallu. All the sarees having pallu with the body cover part are very different, but it will be a matching collections. This such exclusive collections with a matte golden pallu. Also I have one more saree with the small mini butta Kala Aishwarya with the dark chocolate color, I can say, with the dark maroon color printed with the green color combination. This is also one of the print. So such beautiful golden pattern printed. This is also one of the variety. So this collections also you have a unique printed color combination. So in this also you can purchase. So I'm going to showing you every season to season the new collections which come, and many manufacturers are buying, and the deal, especially if you are a dealer, you can directly deal with the Kesaria manufacturers factory price. Next pattern is Kala Zarina BP. This is one of the geometrical one, is a beautiful pattern of the dim blue color with a beautiful pallu. I can see here, I can show. See, this is the pattern of the pallu. So in this also you can purchase. So in this variety, this is Kala Zarina BP. This is also one of the pattern. And in this next pattern, if I talk about, the next pattern is linen cotton with a printed of the easy to wash with the lavender color with the casual sari printed. This is heavy khadi is the code. In this also you have a color chart. All these exclusive collections I've showed you, just samples. With blouse you can purchase, with blouse 630 meters, without blouse 6 meters, 650 meters, 6 meters, 550 meters, 5 meters. We have a printed Poonam sari to Gadwal fancy boutique. All even suit materials also can purchase. Kesaria manufacturers, you have a ready-made women apparel as well as the saris from daily wear to official traditional party wear. So this is a one place where you have to deal with Kesaria manufacturers. Cotton exporting to many countries, and cotton manufacturers, if you want to know cotton fabrics, multiple varieties. Here is a live example of the cotton saris. You can also purchase now, which starts from cotton sari 95 rupees. If I talk about the cotton fancy saris, 200, 150 rupees it starts. For many more further information, the highest price if I talk about 1000, 1500. So this exclusive fancy cotton saris of Gadwal cotton, linen cotton, you can also place an order by through video calling, purchase, pan India COD options are available, and international pre-advance booking also, sea services, cargo services we are providing you safe and securely. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, and let me know what kind of collections you're looking for, so I can put a video according to that, and try to visit one Surat and find out the markets, what all the Surat is having in the textile market, and you can have research, you can take an experience according to your city background and city level. You can have many more apparels, and you can start your clothing store tying with Kesaria manufacturers. So you can come from airport, you can come from a railway station also. It just takes 10 minutes and half an hour from the airport. We do have a provide pick up drop facilities also. I end up this video. Let me know, keep supporting and enjoy with the shopping with Kesaria manufacturers, and next video I'll come up with many more business informations with videos new more. So until then, take care, bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।